Alright, so here's the main dashboard. This is what you see after right login. Alright, so here's the main dashboard. This is what you see right after logging in. And it gives you a complete overview of your loan portfolio. இதை repeat பண்றேன். Alright, so here's the main dashboard. This is what you see right after logging in, and it gives you a complete overview of a loan portfolio. At the top here, we have got this key metrics. You can see the total number of loans you are managing, how many are green loans, and we are even tracking the estimated CO2 reduction from those green loans. Below that, we have a list of all our negotiations. Each card shows you the key details at a glance. The deal name and the loan amount and the status and the action. You can also see the status of each negotiations, whether it's in a draft condition or actively negotiating or completed. Or if it didn't work out, everything is organized and easy to navigate. And then on the left side bar, you have a quick access to all the main features like compare deals, documents, and contract generators. So let me go into the document. Okay, first up, let's check out the document upload feature. You are dealing with hundreds of pages of PDFs that are almost impossible to search through or compare. And our solution uses AI to extract all the key information automatically. You can upload any document like click this button and uploading any document and click upload and process document. So we also support OCR. So even if you got any old scanned contract from years ago, we can read it. And let me show you how it works. So once the file get uploaded, then our AI starts working immediately. It uses Google Gemini AI to read through the entire document and extract all the important details. As I said, AI extract all the important details like the borrower name and the interest rate, the loan amount, loan terms, start date, maturity date, collateral, and the loan purpose. The real cool part is that it doesn't just extract the data; it also make it in a structured way. So once processing is complete, we need to click the start negotiation button. You all see the extracted information displayed clearly, right? And they also get the confidence score too, like this. So in this page, this is the negotiation details page. This page shows the loan negotiation. On the left side, there is a lender information. On the right side, there is a borrower information. Information is like institution contact, the details in the contract, right? These informations are clearly shown here. Then it is the negotiation detail page. In this page, this shows the loan negotiation. On the left side is the lender info, and on the right side is the borrower info. You can see the loan amount, interest rate, and the duration at the top. Like in the top, it shows the loan amount, interest rate, duration, and on the left side, it shows the lender details, and in the right, it shows the borrower's details. And if you click the start negotiation, it will go to the final results page. And this is the final results. Here's the AI negotiation chat. There is a two agents like talking to each other. The lender on the left side and the borrower on the right. They negotiate the loan terms back and forth like this. And this is the main results. Here we show the impact of overall feature, like the efficiency gains and the digital loan impacts, benefits we gained and risks that we prevented earlierly. And the final agreement terms is there. Then if we want to download the document means we can click here. And this is the overview we already seen. This is the analysis. It shows the overall risk and the satisfactions of both the lender and the borrowers. This is the covenant monitoring, and this shows the due diligence report, like the financial health of the and the legal and compliance, ESG, risk assessment, documentation structures, and etc. So this is the final results, and it shows the compliance details like total cost of credit, annual percentage, repayment, loan durations, interest rate after the negotiation, and etc. Coming to the next feature, this is the contract generator. Here we can able to generate the contract by using the AI prompt or by using the manual form. There is a two features here. In AI prompt means we need to describe our loan in a language, natural language, and in the manual form we need to enter all the required details to make the contract. And this is a AI assistant. We can able to modify our contract once we made that using this AI assistant. Now I'm using this AI prompt. If I select any one of the example prompt, green energy, and it will automatically enters. We can also able to give the borrower financial information and also the lender information. We can also able to sign as a lender and sign as a borrower. So this is a AI generated prompt like EU Green Finance Bank and the borrower names. All the details are there in. These details are generated by this prompt, green energy loan, this prompt. And we have a AI assistant. In this, we can able to modify the data in this contract. Like we want to change the interest rate means we should type like change the interest rate to 4%, and we need to click the enter. Then it will give a reply, and the interest rate will be changed to 4%. We can also able to download the generated contract by this button. We can also view this in a PDF format. This is a signing area of lenders and borrowers, and we need to click the start simulation button. For simulating this contract, we need to enter the details. And this is the final third step for the filling data. This is the negotiation details page. And here the negotiation chat will be enabled in the next step. In this step, it will show the lender information and borrower information on the initial agreement terms. It will show the detailed and it will show the compliance detail here. We can also export this data, and we need to start the negotiation. So this is the final results of the negotiation using the contract generator feature. Here there is a information. Here there is a AI conversational chat. We can also able to send a message to the AI, so we can able to move the negotiations further. And this is the detailed analysis, the overall risk and the satisfactions of both lender and borrower. This is the feature. And finally, let's check out the compare feature. This is one of my favorite parts. Click. We need to go to this section. Okay, so this is addressing one of the biggest pain points in the loan industry. How do you actually compare different loan deals when they are all structured differently? So here we solved that problem by showing all your negotiations in a clean side-by-side comparison table. At the top, you get the summary view, average interest rate across all the deals, total loan amount, average satisfaction scores, and it will gives the bird eye view of the entire portfolio. Then below you can see each negotiation as a row in the table. You can compare interest rates and see which one are above or below average. We even show you little indicators with the arrow to highlight better or worse items. You can see loan amounts, durations, satisfaction scores for both parties, and ESG scores if it's a green loan. Everything is standardized and comparable because we have structured all the data the same way. And if you want to dive deeper into any specific negotiations, you need to just click the negotiation and it will take you to the full details page like this. The comparison feature is crucial for portfolio management and for making trading decisions and for understanding your overall risk. Sorry, நான் திருப்பி சொல்றேன். This comparison feature is crucial for portfolio management, for making trading decisions, and for understanding your overall risk. Sorry, bro. Comparison feature is crucial for portfolio management, for making trading decisions, and for understanding your overall risk exposure. And because everything is structured data, you can export it, query it, and integrate it with other systems. So that's our AI negotiation platform. We are taking a process that used to take weeks and bring it down in a minute. We are turning unstructured PDFs into a structured, queryable data, and we are using the AI to help both sides reach better agreements faster. The platform is built on modern scalable technology, Next.js, Supabase, and Google Gemini's AI. It's secure, it's compliant with EU regulations, and it's designed specifically for the needs of lenders and borrowers in the European loan market. We believe this can fundamentally change how loan negotiations work, making them faster, more transparent, and more efficient for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and I hope you are as excited about this